everyone, and this is our last day of camping. And I'm so tired. We're so tired actually. We came, shut up, namaingay talaga sila kasi we're waiting for our service and we're going home now. And a while ago, yes, this is Marichu and then that's it. Say hi. You're so hard. Joke lang, ako lang. No, actually, we came from caving and we went to the falls. And that was so great. Hindi ako nakadala ng cam because I'm afraid baka mababasa siya. And yun, I'm so happy. Wala akong pictures doon and wala din akong vlog doon. But it was so far away. I joke. As in, super malayo talaga. Yun.
I got Levi's shoes.
Ayun, kasi
nawala.
Sa river. And that's all the camp.
And I suffered a lot.
The cave was so cool. And the falls now, the best. Super. Pero ako lang kasi pumunta. And si Narea and Marichu and Jess lang. It was
Pumunta kami!
Pumunta sa taas. And actually, it was so fun and they missed half of their life. Joke.
Seriously?
Yun lang, that's my classmate. Is the sound? Okay, that's all. We're going now home. It was
unwanted? Unexpected.
A 2 days.
2 days.
It was a 2-day and 1 night camp. And it was really fun.
Actually, those people who said that hindi dapat natulog, hindi nang natulog. At yung may-ari ng t-shirt.
Yeah, and then well, yun nga, at what we are talking about, mga tao nagsabi na hindi sila matutulog for the whole night kasi 1 night na.
Maximum of 2 people nagkasya mga
Hindi! About sa LOLD na hindi sila matutulog. But actually, natulog sila. And that includes me. And the number 1. Yes.
I slept for only 30 minutes.
Me, I slept for 4 hours. And it was so great. No, it was not great kasi super madaming bato and matakit sa likod. And what else?
Yung may-ari ng tent.
Yes. Yan ang Les yung sinabi namin kanina. What man?
Nakatulog din sa labas ng tent.
Instead na sa loob siya ng tent, yung ibang tao pa ang pumasok sa loob ng tent at natulog.
At nagkaroon ng mga adopted people.
Actually, hindi kami naka-breakfast kanina and lunch and then nagkuha pa sila ng panggatong. Ano ba? Bad shot? No, anyway.
Actually,
Anyway,
without you guys.
Hey, you ate? Ano? I thought.
Pati yung
Ano?
sotanghon.
Oh, no. Hindi ko gutom. Yun lang, guys. Rhea!
I'll eat you!
Video vlog. Video vlog. That's Ray and Rhea. Yes, and now we're eating while waiting for the service. Actually, we are waiting for 1 hour already. Past 1 hour na. And
This is how you spread the spread.
How? Teach us how.
Without
The proper
spoon.
way. Girl Scout way. You're so stupid. Joke!
Wala kumain na mentos. Hindi ko alam. Parang hindi ako nakakain ng
Dinistribute.
mentos.
Oh, yun na! It's so... Nah, you know, it's not that. But actually, we're eating. Joke, Marichu. We're eating. Let's eat. Okay, bye. Yun lang, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video vlog.